Hi guys, so welcome back to Database Anil. So today we are looking to a HR dataset. I have downloaded from Kaggle. Like I'm also seeing this dashboard for the first time. So this is a blind dashboard. Actually, I didn't know what to do. I'm just checking and let me check the dataset first. Then we will figure out how to do this and everything. So come, let's go. So this is the dashboard we are working on. So we can look into the columns we have. Here we have employee ID, age group, attrition, business, if they travel or not, their daily rate, and give me a second. The department, distance from home, education field, which employee count, employee number, I don't know what is employee number is, and the environmental satisfaction in rate of up to 5, I guess, 4 or 5, and gender, their hourly rate, their job involvement, job level, maybe is senior associate, like that, and their job role, job satisfaction, the marital status, monthly income, monthly salary slab, their monthly rate, number of companies worked before, their or is there over 18 or not, or is if they work overtime or not, percent salary hike, and performance rating up to 4 or 5 years, and relationship satisfaction, standard hours, 8 hours a week, I guess, stock option level, I don't know what it is, total working years in the company, 1 year, 2 year, so training time, work-life balance, years at the company, years in control, years since last promotion, with the current years with the current manager. So this is the data set we are working on. So I already downloaded it. So please download it, then extract. So let's check first this dashboard. So we can wrap up this dashboard. So this is the dashboard. It's very basic dashboard, I guess. No calculations and everything. Create our kind of dashboard using this data set we have. Check what other things we have picked one. So the 4 age group, 5 age group, 18 to 55. This is the age group, and total we have 1480 employees are there, and age group attrition, daily rate. Here we have everything. So I think no need of any cleaning or anything. So it's everything very cleaned and properly maintained. So let's blank report. I'm gonna close this. Save. So I'm gonna make it with data from text or CSV. And here is our file. This is our data, transform data, and check if everything correct, its heading is correct, everything is valid, no errors or empty values. Other, I think we have this. It's very cleaned data, that's why no errors and everything. So let's click pause and apply. Before that, we need to find out what are things we are gonna make it in the graph. So I'm taking my note. I will take it in notepad. Let's check. Let's use ChatGPT there. So we can make use of a ChatGPT in everything. So I'm gonna upload the CSV file into ChatGPT. Asking. So here's the ChatGPT's answer it's creating. So we can create overview attrition analysis department and role insight, performance and satisfaction, and there's salary and tenure analysis. So these are the suggested KPIs: total count, attrition rate, average monthly income, average years at the company, average job satisfaction, and suggested graph. This is the graph it's giving. Attrition analysis page. The attrition rate by department and all inside page. Job role distribution. So for this, I'm using my own templates. You can get this in my website, database and I'll show you. This is my website. You can go and check it out. From here you can get, here we have it. So this is the dashboard. So you can download it from here. Download it. And if you want to give review, you can give review also from home page. Here we can give review. So please share your thoughts and everything. So let's work on it. I'm gonna save this. Let me check if it 5 pages. We need 6 pages actually. So I'm gonna design it accordingly in every page. I will take this later because I don't know how much graph it will take. So first let's take the base, then we will design accordingly. So I'm using this 10-inch in the canvas settings to custom and to 1080 to 1920, and the first there's no relation, so no need of it and everything. We have the data. So first I'm gonna create enter data. So creating a new table for storing the measure values and everything. Giving the underscore because we need to make it in the first list. it will come in the first. So let's check what's first. First, you need to find total employees. So let's give total employees. Sum of, sorry, distinct count. This is our first KPI. I'm gonna give thought. Let's make it as not currency anyway. Percentage channel. Okay, let's do it like this. So listen, we click to center. I'm gonna increase the font size to 55 because it's not. And label also I'm gonna increase to 16. Make it bold. Make it bold. And we need to change the color maybe. Do it afterwards. Yeah. Then change the layout effect, not effect. Need to remove the back border actually. We have the border. So the layout I guess it's already off, right? Let's check here. Is it off? And what? What did I use? Variable formats. So yeah, card here we can off the border and everything. And this the copy paste. Another KPI we are gonna make is average monthly salary income. Average monthly income. We are gonna give this and remove this 6.50 thousand. So next attrition rate we need to find. So for that attrition we are using divide sum of attrition. I think there is attrition count. Yeah. So attrition is like SON questions, right? So let's attrition SON question, yeah. So for this attrition count, attrition rate we need to find out how many of the left the company. So for the we can create a calculated column, or we can create here a DAX formula. So I'm going to create DAX formula get function and using count of HR analytics and closing this and HR and its attrition equal to yes. This is column reference as a argument. So we need to create the column. So leave it. So go to here. We are going to make a custom column here and keep a new column name equal to attrition count. Attrition count I'm going to give. Let's try that equation here. Count of such analytical attrition and generate attrition. But yes, yes, then equal to yes. We get the answer here. Everything the boolean value like thing. So everything S is 1. Yes, 1 yeah. So we have the attrition count. So for attrition rate, we need the total employees and the attrition count. So I'm going to divide sum of attrition count, comma, sum of total employees. Total employees. Employees here. Otherwise we can use 0. So copy paste attrition rate. Let's make change into percentage 3.33. And we can check average years at a company. So average years at a company. Yes. Yes, at company equal to average of 2 years at company. Let's check average years at the company. Yeah. So average years at the company. Some points are 1 years is the average. Next, we are giving job satisfaction. Average job satisfaction. Average job sat is equal to here also average of job satisfaction. We paste average job satisfaction 2.73 is the out of 5 is the average satisfaction level. And for other things, we have completed the KPI cards. employees is there, average monthly income, generally attrition rate is there, average years at the company, and the average of satisfaction is there. So next we are going to make the graph. So employee count by department. We are going to use bar chart, department versus employee count. So let's import bar chart. Is this employee count versus department? We have only these three departments. I guess let's change the design. So remove the reference and when we don't have the values of title, we don't want. It sets its value and the you're going to turn on the data label and title make it to center. It is the okay. So first graph is ready. Let's click the graph. Employee count group by age group. Employee count by age group. Age group. Let's use this pie chart. And for this, let's use this one. Okay. The other is gender distribution. For gender distribution, total employees by gender. Let's copy the style here and put here. Oh, yes. You don't need access. No, yes, it's actually age group, don't need the title and everything. So last and final chart, department wise average income. Department wise average monthly income. Let's use column chart. Okay. So the average to monthly income. Oh, sorry, monthly income. Let's take some here monthly income. So this is the monthly income of the department. That's the average. Let's remove the sum here. Here space here. Monthly income by department. It's fine, I guess. If you want to add more chart, we can do. So let me think of my view. We can give the overview of job satisfaction. Thank you. Job satisfaction. Some of satisfaction. Some people have the job satisfaction on the paper. Okay. Everything is just bar chart. So let's change this. Is it fine? Keep it above. Like this to here. Okay, so five graph, five KPIs. So we need to change this accordingly. Mhm. Yes, so this is our first page. If you need to change the icons and everything, you can change. I'm changing. So for this, I'm going to icons8.com and search my icons. Search overview or icon I need. So from this, for this one, I'm taking this only, and we have other pages like overview is the attrition. So attrition, I need to search attrition. So so I'm taking this one. Okay. Just pasting here. So instead of this, I'm putting this one. Okay, delete. Oh, sorry, my bad. So instead of this one, I'm putting this. Okay, perfect. And we need to dim the transparency. Let's okay. For this one, we have the page department and all inside. Search. Taking this one. So instead of that, making this change the color, select it, delete. transparency to this. And next one, performance salary. Performance. I'll take this. Delete. Perfect. Okay, so this is our page. And one more thing we need salary. Salary, okay. Let's use this. Okay, good. Everything good. So this is a lady need this slide. So click here. Canvas background. Pause. And new folder. Revenue list. And make it transfer seat to server. Make the fit to fit. And now let's remove the background. So this is our file. So this is our first page look like. This is the overview page. And I'm going to give the text box overview with the font to 36. It will be not enough. Say NGs, it's okay. So this also affect the background. Okay. Let's go over beyond it. So let's reduce the size. No way, bro. This is too fucking. In the font to 72. I think this is perfect, I guess. So change the color to something font. Sounds fine. Yeah, I guess so. And I'm changing the view and changing the color. Not good. It's okay, okay. Not good. Not good. Not good. Not good. Okay, this is some taking. Make it to center. And after this, we need to create the filter button and everything. So let's move into next page. So for this, I'm duplicating this and changing the name to attrition analysis. Attrition analysis. Attrition analysis. Yeah. So this is our second page. And here we have attrition rate by department. So attrition, let's change total employees to attrition rate and attrition by age group and attrition by age group. Attrition by age group. Attrition is in wait, age group versus count. Okay, let's make it just count. Attrition, wait, attrition count. Yeah. So for this also we can use the attrition count. So it will be helpful. And attrition over time versus over time. We don't need attrition by job role. Attrition by job role. Attrition by job role. Change the graph to something else. We don't have the date field, so if it was there, we can find the trend over time and everything. So it's like the time and everything. Time, not time, date. So if it was there, we can find the attrition trend. Everything does not have the date field. We can create. So if we need to create, we have to create a lot of data. It's around those only 1,400. So I think we can create the custom column date, maybe if we wanted. Just for showing, I'm gonna create a new column here called, I will go for the date. So date, if we choose the date, date, we need to find the attrition date, attrition. Let's ask the ChatGPT itself. So here we have the DAX formula. Let's copy it, and attrition data I'm using the name, and in between 2020 and 2022, and on the attrition I'm checking if it yes or no. I'm checking if it's give the date between these two anything. So I'm gonna click enter. So yeah, it's game. So make it to short with the date to perfect. So if you want to, so here I'm going to check the attrition or time on department attrition date date. Sorry, we need to make just the date column. So mark as date table. Okay, attrition date. So let's create the line chart and go attrition date, and let's check department wise attrition department. Oh yes, it's let's go filters and attrition date, and is not null, should not be null. And the trend line. This is the trend line. If you want to find the forecast, you can give next 10 for the confidence level 95. Data is to available to August. Okay. Maybe it's a blank, that's why. So let's use the time intelligence for the growth options. And here we can give time intelligence. Great. Okay. Then let's check one more time. Confirm to regional. Yeah. Confirm go to here. And let's go. Hierarchy, we got the hierarchy. So I'm checking the month-wise attrition count, attrition count of by department. Yes, department. So this is the month-wise attrition count. So here, let's see what the sum of it. We can also find the this is the this is this is the attrition count by month, and November we have most attrition by November, and 28 is the count. So let's make attrition count by job role. This let me remove these title. Attrition rate, attrition count by gender, attrition count by age group. Let me think how you define it. I can give the area analysis also. I can find the trend
can give, we can give the this one. So this is our total. So we need to go to drill down right here. In 2021, we can see the attrition count, and if we see the 2022, we can see the other 2022's attrition counts. If we need to find any excess constraint or everything, we can find the forecast for the next. We need the next 2 years. Let's give it next 2 years. The confidence level of 99%. Let's give seasonality points. Let's make it a silver. So maybe the so here we can see the forecast upper bound and lower bound. The upper bound is like the maximum we can expect, and the lower bound is like the minimum we can expect. And forecast is the predicted value. Maybe in 2023, the attrition count may become 103 by checking these three trends. Here from 66, we get next year it went to 82. So like this. So okay, we can dive into this. Check this for January 2023, 15, like this. Okay. Okay, perfect. Let's move to other. So if we need to change the KPI, we can change. Let's give the attrition count, total attrition count, and we can let's change the name as attrition analysis. Attrition analysis, and let's duplicate this page and change the name to department and inside our page. Department and inside. Okay, okay, okay. For this, we are going to do job role distribution. That's the tree map. Job role distribution our department. Let's give job role distribution our department. Total employees. Okay, I have created that. Next, job satisfaction by department. Let's job satisfaction by department you can keep. Then I'm gonna make just pie chart. I don't know why I like pie chart. And Java's total working years by job count. Average working years at company. It's, we can make it in two different ways. Once if we like I can show you like in here we average work at years. Yeah, we can find here and change here to average. So it will give average. I'm making measures here. So average here. Total. Okay. Equal to average of working. This is how I'm making. So and average total years by job work. Average performance rating by department. Attrition analysis. We have the file where we can delete this one. I think we don't need that. At that place we can 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So one I can give Chota Wala. Another we need the big one. So for this one I'm taking for this two I'm taking the big. Okay, is it okay? I guess so. So go to here, canvas background, and change this to this one. Make it to fit. Okay, let me redesign it. So This is my second page. For third page, um, job satisfaction by department, average working year by job role, average performance rating, average performance rating by department, performance rating. Wait. Average performance rating equal to average of performance rating. Attrition. No. Performance rate by department. By department. Yeah. By department. Let's give it a change. Now it's not patient. Data label. Everything. Legend we can turn it off. Here also we can do it. Do the same. So here also we can do the same. Legend of and format. Nothing. And here also we can do the same. Add data label. Remove it and copy. Yeah. Okay. Now let's focus on building the next step over time percentage by job work. Over time. And for this we can give the department wise performance rate. At average you can give the performance rating and the sum. Let's say the average 3.2. We can give something unique. Otherwise, and we can give the department wise job satisfaction level. I'm going to give the average and job satisfaction. Yeah. Okay, let's duplicate another for this department wise. Third one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So give this one two, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5. So ഇപ്പൊ നമ്മുടെ സെക്കൻഡ് പേജ് തേർഡ് പേജ് നേടിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. So this is the ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെന്റ് ഓൾ ഇൻസൈറ്റ്. ഇനി അടുത്ത പേജിലേക്ക് നമുക്ക് കിടക്കാം. അടുത്ത പേജാണ് നമുക്ക് പെർഫോമൻസ് ആൻഡ് സാറ്റിസ്ഫാക്ഷൻ. So performance and satisfaction page. So ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് കാണുന്ന പെർഫോമൻസ് റേറ്റ് ബൈ എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ ഫീൽഡ് ആണ്. നമുക്ക് പെർഫോമൻസ് റേറ്റ് ബൈ അവരുടെ എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ ഏതാന്നുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങൾ നോക്കണം. ടെക്നിക്കലാണോ നോൺ ടെക്നിക്കലാണോ എന്നുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ. സോ നമുക്ക് വേണ്ടാത്ത കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ ഞാൻ ഒഴിവാക്കണം. ടൈറ്റിൽ വേണ്ട, വാല്യൂ വേണ്ട, ഇതും വേണ്ട, കാരണം എല്ലാവരും തന്നെ ഉണ്ട് മേലെ. സോ change this sum and giving the space. And performance rating by education field I have given, so we can find which employee means which education field have the most employees and their rating for their performance rating and all. So performance ratings, it is some sort of making to average. And I'm going to find how many people from this education field. From license we have 606 people, And okay, this is fine. You can remove the title and the value and the title also. So job involvement by department, environment satisfaction by agent. Yeah, let's give job satis. Let's change job satisfaction to environment satisfaction. That's it. Let's make sum to average. That will be nice. And okay, work-life balance by mental status. Work-life status. Work-life balance. What is work-life balance? Yeah. We can find the work-life balance. Yeah, it's waiting. So environmental status and total employees by this education field. Like I say, since people studied life cycle and relationship satisfaction by gender. Relationship satisfaction by gender. There is relationship satisfaction by relationship satisfaction by gender. Okay, this is my final. So we can create the PowerPoint presentation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's save it as PNG. As PNG. Importing this. Make it pro and fit. Let's have any piece. Okay, this is fine, I guess. And now now focus on the last page. The name was salary and the tenure analysis. Salary and tenure analysis. Okay, monthly income distribution. Monthly income by the job load. What is the job load? Monthly income by job load. And total working years versus salary slab. Total working years. Total working years versus salary slab. Training time last year by department. So training time last year with their department. Training times last year by department. And we can find the years at company versus attrition. Years at company. Is the attrition. Attrition count. Not. And this average years at company and attrition count. Attrition. Let's find monthly income by job load. Revolution level session by age. train time. Let's change this graph to this and working, and let's I will guess, is there any increase in the yes, mobile salary department increase, and we can find out the hourly, find out the hourly rate, average hourly rate of a person of the education field or working in a department. Let's find hourly rate by department, or I will go for job board. So this is the job board. So yes, this is the final. Yeah. So we have the five graph. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4. At least we can delete any of this. I think we don't need this one. Yeah, so this is fine. Save as PNG. So canvas background. Okay, fine. And fit. Okay, this is the final. So we have completed the making chart. So we can now work on the buttons and the filter menu. So filter menu, I'm gonna insert a image. So here I'm going to put this and make a shape using this shape and rotate. change the color accordingly. What color you want. And I'm going to make some transparency over here. I'll remove the border and make in the shadow and glow. So for this, I'm building I'm giving the filters like department. I'm going to give the slicer to drop down and remove the background. Okay, other one, next one, department. We have the age group. We can select the age group. And the one we can give, we can give the gender. And we can select gender. I can give. And next we can give the next we can give the job role. And give job role. Okay. And from here we can select the view. We can set the selection and take the image and make it font. Select these things. And make it just as a group and create a button here. Let's click bookmark and add bookmark. So this is the filter turn on one and so this is turn off one and this is the filter turn on. So let's try it. Let's give the action here, bookmark, and turn on. And for this image, we can give page turn off. Yeah, so let's try it out. Guys, it's working. Yeah, it's working. So do the same for other pages also. And we can give the insert buttons again blank. Border, icon and everything. And just okay. Let's make an home page also. Home. Yeah. We can give the action and page navigation within our to attrition analysis. And same for this action type. Page navigation, go to department wise. And this one, action, page navigation, and to performance. And this, you can give page navigation, silent tenure. Let's search. It's navigating. Yeah, so text box. So this is our final. So we can give the action. So yeah, this is the end of our project. We have created 5-page project. These are the things we have completed all this. So so if you want the files of this, so if you want the files of this, so this is our this is our final. So this is our basic project. You can put in your resume or anything. So you can get these files from my website, database channel. So further, I will upload these files, the dataset, the Power BI templates and everything. So please check it out and you can give review on that. So that's it. Thank you. Please do subscribe, like, and share to your friends who are looking to study the Power BI. So it will be very helpful. So thank you guys. See you.
So this is a basic project. You can put in your resume or anything. So you can get these files from my website, database channel. So further, I will upload these files, the dataset, the Power BI templates and everything. So please check it out and you can give review on that. So that's it. Thank you. Please do subscribe, like and share.